Our planet is in a state of emergency.
Biodiversity loss is an urgent threat to health, food supplies, and livelihoods across the globe.
Both climate change and the loss of biodiversity have devastating consequences.
Estamos aún a tiempo de revertir la espiral de destrucción biológica en que vivimos, adoptando medidas urgentes.
The interests of our peoples and our planet have never been more strongly aligned.
We want a real common movement for change. Now is the time to act.
I endorse the Leaders' Pledge for Nature.
I endorse the Leaders' Pledge for Nature.
And commit to take urgent actions.
Urgent actions.
Urgent actions.
So that united
we can reverse biodiversity loss
by 2030.
By 2030.
For sustainable development.
I endorse
the Leaders' Pledge for Nature.
I endorse the Leaders' Pledge for Nature.
Of the Leaders' Pledge for Nature.
I endorse the Leaders' Pledge for Nature.
For sustainable development.
We have a duty to preserve the biodiversity of life on Earth, as conserving nature is not just a moral issue, but it is also a question of survival.
We must turn these words into action and make the changes we need to achieve them.
Let us all put our hearts together to protect and help heal this planet before it is too late.
We must make post-2020 biodiversity framework a turning point.
Our health and the health of our planet depend on an equitable, carbon-neutral future where we value and protect our natural spaces.
It is not the judgment of history I fear the most, but that of my children and grandchildren. I call on all leaders to rally around this cause and rapidly move towards this transformative change.